We've uploaded 6 videos in 5 days, and I'm so exhausted. I do not have any more energy. Apple Watch Ultra is coming today, which is probably the product that I'm most excited to check out. So let's wake up.
Ain't nobody's business, no, how we carry on. 'Cause we gonna be together, little boy. Nobody's business, how we carry on. We'll all be there.
Good morning, 11 fam, and happy Apple Watch Ultra day. I'm so hyped to be unboxing the Apple Watch Ultra today. I tested it out at the Apple event, but actually having it on my wrist is something I'm really looking forward to. I mean, the Ultra itself is a product that I've been always waiting for. I mean, having a pro level Apple Watch is something that I always wanted. The Apple Watch taken seriously by the pros is something that I was very excited about. So yeah, closed my move ring, which is awesome. Should be getting my Apple Watch Ultra anytime now. Can't wait. I can't wait.
I'm not a good woman. 'Cause we gonna be together, little boy.
Okay, excuse me.
Blood's down inside of me to satisfy you. Blood's down.
Okay, this right here inside is the new Apple Watch Ultra. I am beyond excited. My most hyped product of the year. And yes, we got a couple new bands. We got the Ocean Loop and the Apple Watch itself. Please excuse me if I'm a little bit overexcited for this unboxing. Ocean Loop. And right here is the Apple Watch Ultra. The box is big. It feels good. Yes, I did try it out at the Apple event, but I'm just excited for it to be on my wrist and just check it out in a more calmly manner. So you got the exact same pull tab mechanism as the Apple Watch Series 8 and all the previous Apple Watches before that. And here, look at this thing. I mean, if this doesn't scream adventure, I don't know what does. So what do you get inside of the beautiful box? You get this beautiful paperwork. You get the band itself, you get the watch itself, and you get this beautiful, beautiful pamphlet. So let's go ahead and open it together. You get the 3 different bands for the Apple Watch Ultra. First of all, the lemon Cinturino Ocean. That's what it's called. Pull tab mechanism as well. Open it, and you just slide it just like this. Such a premium experience. And yes, these bands are actually compatible with previous generation Apple Watch. And here it is. It's a very strong yellow. This one is perfect for the divers, and for me, I mean, I personally go underwater a lot. I actually know a bunch of surfers that have lost their Apple Watch in the ocean, so this band will be literally perfect for them. This is absurd, 49 millimeters. I mean, if you were to tell me that the Apple Watch was gonna have 49 millimeters years ago, I honestly wouldn't have believed you. I thought there was nothing inside of the box. You have to pull it up. Oh wow, that's very orange. These are actually titanium buckles as well, which is... Shall we do it? Shall we do it? Shall we unbox the Apple Watch Ultra together? I can't believe this booklet. I'm gonna frame this. All right, you guys are gonna see it before me. Are you ready? 1, 2, and 3. That is awesome. The packaging experience on the Ultra is absurd. Look how cool this is. So you actually get the coordinates on Apple Campus, on Apple Park. I'm guessing if you lift this up, you actually get, if I'm not mistaken, the first ever braided Apple Watch cable. Such a treat. Thank you, Apple. It's like it's Christmas right now. Look at this. All right, and the moment itself, the protagonist itself, the brand new Apple Watch Ultra. Here it is. I'm kind of upset that it doesn't come in black, but man, does this titanium version look amazing. Does it look too big on me? I don't think so. I mean, it's a big watch. It's definitely a big watch. I'm currently setting up the Ultra and it's now allowing me to customize the action button, which is pretty cool. I'm actually gonna, whenever I press the action button, the flashlight is gonna turn on. All right, meanwhile the Apple Watch is syncing, let me show you something. Look how sick Wristcam looks on the Apple Watch Ultra. Like, it's literally the perfect combo. They were made for each other. I've said this before. The Apple Watch Ultra is the Apple Watch that Wristcam deserved. I mean, Wristcam does definitely not look big compared to the bigness of the Apple Watch Ultra. I mean, this is the OG look. This is giving your Apple Watch literally superpowers. Okay, so it's now set up. Here is the new Wayfinder watch face, and look at this. When I turn the digital crown, turns red, which is sick. Something that I really wanted to test out is the following. This is the siren. Let's go ahead and see how far you guys can actually listen to it. I mean, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of tests in the review, but it's definitely very loud. And also, look at this. This is the quick action button, so whenever I press, the flashlight turns on, but you can customize it to do a bunch of different things. Now, the display itself, like the watch itself is bigger, but I'm not noticing massive differences on the size of the display. I mean, you notice it, but it's not like massive improvements, but it's definitely very welcome. If you guys wanna see me test out all the new features, well, there's a couple things that you can do. One, you can wait for my review that's coming on Tuesday. We're getting a professional diver to put this thing to the limit. We're getting somebody that does triathlons, professional. I mean, it's gonna be a big review. Probably one of the biggest reviews I've ever done in my channel. Two, if you guys wanna see me test them out, I'm gonna be uploading a bunch of YouTube shorts and uploading a bunch of Instagram reels over on Instagram. So make sure you subscribe and go follow me on Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna go explore with this thing. This thing is awesome, baby.